What is up, guys? It's been a while. It's been a really long time, but I'm gonna grab y'all, and I've got the downpipe finished. I think last time that I left off with you guys, I was saying that I'm about to start on downpipe. Downpipe is finished, and I have about half of the exhaust done. This is a RB32 GTR R32, and we custom built this manifold, and I built this crazy titanium downpipe. It's 3.5 to 4 inch, and then I had to cut in a hole in the floor to clear the 4-inch exhaust as well. But that's where we're at right now. Yesterday I went all the way back to behind the driver's seat underneath the car with the exhaust. We don't have a rear subframe in right now, so I couldn't go any further. We've got to wait on that to come back from coating. But something else that I did is I've started the dump pipe. So as y'all can see, I've got the body kit on. It's beautiful, garage active. And I've got one wheel because on this side I've got the dump pipe coming out of the bumper, and I need to make sure that it all clears, it all fits. So here's the undershot, upskirt shot, I guess you can call it. There's the wastegate, and I've got it coming down under the frame rail, and then it's gonna shoot right out of the fender. So as y'all can see there, it's gonna come out in this general area. And I've got this, I went ahead and made a teardrop, turn down, whatever you want to call it. And now I have to cut into a really expensive body kit. So yeah, a little nervous, but measure 5 times, cut once. I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do. So, guys, just finished the dump pipe, and damn does that look good. My hole tolerance is like dead on, so it's kind of a pain to get in and out. So I'm gonna have to go in and open up that hole, and then eventually there'll be plates on the outside here and on the inside, and we're hoping out of carbon fiber. Here's what it looks like in the wheel well. It's, well, here, let me flip this. It's super tight to everything, but the whole car is like that. So it's pretty sick. Here's the engine bay. Engine bay shot right there. But man, this build's getting even better every day. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna go ahead and polish up that dump pipe, that screamer pipe, whatever you wanna call it. And then we'll go ahead and weld it up, and then I'll probably show y'all how I burn it. As you can see, I got rival up. I just finished the dump pipe. It's dope. I made a plate on the outside of the bumper out of carbon fiber. The red dress-up bolts just set it off. I mean, Look at it, it's beautiful. It's dope. It looks good. Y'all just gonna have to picture it with the Workmeisters that he has, because right now the sunk setup isn't really showing anything. But he's got polished bronze lips on those Workmeisters, so it's gonna be so hot. We don't know what color to Cerakote this aluminum that I put behind it yet. It might be black, might be burnt bronze to match the manifold and all the piping. We don't know yet. Let me show y'all what I did actually. So I started off making this aluminum plate, and then I went up front, grabbed some carbon fiber, and went ahead and traced it and cut it, drilled all the holes, and on the back side, I'm trying to show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that very well because I can't see the camera, but that is another plate that I welded all the nuts on and then cut it in half. That way we don't have to slip it on the dump pipe first and then go ahead and, you know, screw it in. And I was just gonna do nut and bolt, but I was bolting it on and off so many times and the nut and bolt got so annoying, I was like, screw it, I'm welding nuts to it. But this is a good idea, showing y'all how it routes. I love it. I think it turned out amazing. Want to give a huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, staying tuned, like helping us out so much. Our channel's growing a lot and we can't wait to show y'all what else we can do. This is just the beginning. Y'all just gotta wait. So thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned.